Hello friends, in this series of lesson in the sorting algorithm, I'm going to explain what is the sorting means and what is the purpose to make sort the list. So before going in a sorting, let me explain what is the algorithm in simple way. So it's a step-by-step instruction for any problem-solving operation. So it means in the real time you can if you are going to office, so what are the different set of instructions that you are going to follow to reach your office. So you can imagine you wake up in the morning, you get fresh, and you are ready for your breakfast. Then you take your car and you reach to the office. So these are all the instructions you are going to follow to reach your office. So it means it's a set of process or step by step instruction that you are going to follow for any problem solving operation. So now let me explain what is the sorting means. So sorting, it means rearrange the things in certain order, means it's increasing order or decreasing order, or it's defined compared to the properties. So why we are sorting the list or sorting the data. So it means its reliability of the code is increased. So let me give the example. If in a dictionary all the words are according to the sorting manner. So if you're going to find particular word with the B, then you directly go to the B word. Let assume that if it is not going in particular order, then how much time it will take to find that particular word. So it means the reliability of the code is increased, and you can easily search or extract the information from it. So sorting is like arranging the elements or list. It's like collection in increasing or decreasing order or define on some property. So when we sort the array, then we simply rearrange the list. We are not going to modify any values or any things in the collection or in the list. We may have the list of any data types, means strings or words or also like integer values. And sorted data really helpful when we sort the we when we store the data and save into computer. So it will help to find the data easily in the computer. So let's assume if we are not sorting the data in a computer and we are going to find any data in that. So if we are using the linear search, so in the linear search it's compared one by one to the every memory. So let assume that if you are going to find some data and that data is not going, it's not in the computer. So you can imagine how much time it will take to find one by one to the end of the location, and after that we are not going the data. So in that, if you are going with the linear search, then the size of the uh, array is like 2 raised to 64. Then it take the 2 raised to 64 millisecond, and we are going to convert that millisecond into minute. Then you can imagine how much a day it will take. And but if our list are sorted, and according to the sorted, we are to find using the binary search, then you can see if your size is 2 is to 64, then it will take a log 2 is to 64 comparison, then, and it's only 64 millisecond. So you can see how much difference in the both finding algorithm. It's particularly list are sorted. So there are different sorting algorithm like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, heap sort, counting sort, and radius sort. And this is not all. There are many more. We classify the sorting algorithm based on some parameters. So what is the parameter? So it's defined on time complexity, means time taken by algorithm to solve the problems. And some algorithm are faster, some algorithm are slower. Space complexity means how much memory it will use in going to sort the list. The stability, the internal sort or external sort, recursive or non-recursive. Some of the algorithms are recursive, like quick sort and merge sort, and some of the algorithms are non-recursive, insertion sort and selection sort. So all of this algorithm I'm going to explain in the next session, and what is the meaning of the, and what are the base like class, what is the comparison is with different algorithm. So see you in the next one.